Welcome to Account Book ERP, where we help businesses of all sizes get the most out of their ERP software. In this video, we'll be discussing the difference between ERP software and simple software. ERP software is a suite of integrated applications that helps businesses manage their core processes, such as accounting, manufacturing, and sales. Simple software is a single application that is designed to do a specific task, such as word processing or spreadsheeting. We'll talk about the advantages and disadvantages of each type of software, and help you decide which one is right for your business. What is ERP software? ERP software is a suite of integrated applications that helps businesses manage their core processes. These processes can include accounting, manufacturing, sales, inventory, human resources, and customer relationship management, CRM. ERP software helps businesses to automate their processes, improve efficiency, and make better decisions. What is simple software? Simple software is a single application that is designed to do a specific task. For example, a simple software application could be a word processor, a spreadsheet, or a presentation software. Simple software is typically less expensive and easier to use than ERP software. Advantages of ERP software. ERP software can help businesses to automate their processes, improve efficiency, make better decisions, reduce costs, increase productivity, improve customer service. Disadvantages of ERP software. ERP software can be expensive to implement and maintain. It can also be complex to use, and may require specialized training. Advantages of simple software. Simple software is typically less expensive and easier to use than ERP software. It can be a good option for businesses with limited needs or budgets. Disadvantages of simple software. Simple software may not be able to meet the needs of all businesses. It may not be as efficient or effective as ERP software. How to choose the right type of software for your business. The best way to choose the right type of software for your business is to consider your specific needs and requirements. If you have complex business needs, then ERP software is a good option. If you have simpler needs, then simple software may be a better choice. You should also consider your budget and the level of support you need. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you to understand the difference between ERP software and simple software. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this one. Here are some additional points that you can mention in the video. The size of your business. ERP software is typically more suitable for larger businesses with complex needs. Simple software can be a good option for smaller businesses with simpler needs. The industry you are in. Some industries, such as manufacturing and distribution, require more complex ERP software than others. Your budget. ERP software can be expensive, so you need to make sure that you can afford it. Simple software is typically less expensive. Your level of technical expertise. ERP software can be complex to implement and use, so you need to make sure that you have the technical expertise to support it. Simple software is typically easier to implement and use. I hope this helps.